नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इयत्ता 9वीच आज आपण एक नवीन प्रकरण सुरू करतोय ज्याचं नाव आहे ट्रायंगल. ट्रायंगल्स. आपल्याला माहित आहे ट्रायंगल म्हणजे काय. वी नो हिअर सो व्हॉट इज अ ट्रायंगल्स. सो लुक हिअर सो, दिस इज अ ट्रायंगल, you know this, and we study about this triangle from 6th 5th standard. What is the triangles? And in these years we study some properties of these triangles. So in these triangles there are three angles, 1 2 3, and three sides, these one sides, these one sides, and these one sides. So all these atoms we see in earlier standards, and today we see also some properties about these triangles. For that we do here one activity. So what is the activity? Look here, I take here one triangles and color these triangles as likes. In this here are three angles, 1 2 3, but the exterior side of the triangles there are many angles. Which are they? So look here. So for that I do here one activity, but before this, for this activity I draw here one line. And do this activity as likes. On this ray I put these triangles. Look here. So these one triangle here. Name this triangle here P Q R. So this is triangle PQR, and name this here point S. So look here, PRS is an exterior angle of these triangles. So I make these triangles as like here. So now this complete figure here. So look here triangle PQR and angle PRS is the exterior angle of this triangle. So what is property of this? We find out here the measure of this exterior angles, and this angle here P and Q, this is a remote interior angles. म्हणजे अँगल P आणि अँगल Q या कोण PRS च्या संदर्भात दूरस्थ अंतर कोण आहेत. This is a remote interior angles. And what is the relation between the angle this P and Q and this angle PRS? So look here, this angle here is P, yes, and this angle here is Q. So look here, angle P and Q I put here, this one here, and this angle here R here. Then what you get here? So look here, observe these figures. You get here the measure of angle PRS is equal to summation of angle P and angle Q. Summation of angle P and Q. That means angle P and angle Q. Angle P आणि Q चं जे काय माप आहे त्या दोघांची बेरीज केली तर ती बेरीज काय येते, अँगल PRS इतकी येते. So look here, अँगल PRS इतकी ही बेरीज येते. म्हणजे इथं P इथं घेतला आणि Q इथं घेतला. So look here again. So now observe this all. Observe here. So now you see this all. Measure of angle PRS is equal to summation of angle P and angle Q. Here pink colored angle is angle P and green colored angle is angle Q. So we share the property of these triangles, that is the remote interior angles. Now we see this property as theoretically or as a theorems. Angle PRS, major angle PRS is equal to these one angles, that is angle QPR, major angle QPR plus major angles PQR, So as like by activity, we see here property. We see here one property of these triangles, that is a measure of exterior angle. Measure of exterior angle is the sum of measure of remote interior angles. दुरस्थ अंतरकोनांच्या मापाच्या बेरजेत का असतो हे आपण इथं पाहिलं. Now this property we see as a theorems. हीच प्रॉपर्टी आपण थेरमच्या रूपात पाहतोय. चला तर पाहू. Now we see this theorem. What is the theorem? The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle. Measure of an exterior angle of a triangle. एका त्रिकोणाच्या बाह्य कोनाचं माप is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. त्याच्या दूरस्थ अंतरकोनाच्या मापाच्या बेरजे इतकं असतं हे आपल्याला सिद्ध करायचं आहे. So for that we draw here figure first. So look here, I draw here one triangles. Name this triangle here, sir. P, Q, R, S. So this is a figure. And write here given part first. What is given? The measure of an exterior angle. So which is exterior angles? Angle PRS. Look this. Angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle, which is a PQR. So this is the given part. Now we write here sir to prove. काय सिद्ध करायचं आपल्याला? काय सिद्ध करायचं आहे? The measure of an exterior angle, that means angle which are PRS. So right here sir, angle PRS is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. So which are remote interior angles? So look here, this is a PRS is exterior angles, and these one angles and these second angles, these are remote interior angles. So right here first, this angle P, QPR, angle QPR plus angle, second remote interior angle which is also PQR. So right here sir, angle PQR. So these are the two proof parts. Now we write here sir, so I write here sir proof. So there is very simple proof. We write here sir. We know here sir, summation of all angles of triangle is 180. So write here one statement here sir. त्रिकोणाच्या 3 कोणांच्या मापांची बेरीज 180 असते हे आपल्याला माहिती आहे. So write here statement. The sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, write this in the summation for this first angle QPR, angle QPR plus second angles PQR, angle PQR plus which angles? Third angles PRQ, angle PRQ is equal to how much it is? 180 degree. So right here, so 180 degree. So these one statement here. These one statements. Now we write here one more statements. Observe these two angles. Angle PRQ and angle PRS. What you write about these two angles? Summation of these two angles is here so 180 degree because they are angles in a linear pair angles or they are supplementary angles. So right here so and angle PRQ plus angle PRS is equal to 180 degree. So this is the second statement. You write reason for this. What is the reason? Angles in a linear pair Now from equation 1 and 2 there is a right side is equal. There is a right side is equal to here is equal to 180 degree. Here also is equal to 180 degree. So right side is equal, therefore left side is also equal. So right here from 1 and 2. Write your left side first. Angles QPR plus angles PQR plus angle PRQ is equal to angles PRQ plus angles PRS. So we write here the left side of this equation 1 and 2. Now observe this. On this both side here sir, angle QPR plus angle PQR plus angle PRQ is equal to angle PRQ plus PRS. So here angle PRQ and PRQ on both sides are same. So it get cancels. What is here sir? It get cancels. So these two angles are get cancelled here sir. So I write it remaining part. Therefore angles QPR plus angles PQR is equal to angle PRS. So what you get here sir? So what you get here sir, angle QPR plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRS. So this is our to prove part. Now from this angle QPR plus angle PQR, these are remote interior angles and summation of these two angles is equal to angle PRS, that is the exterior angle. So we prove here these theorems. Therefore we write here some. Therefore the measures of an exterior angles. The measures of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. So as like we prove these theorems. Now we search the next part. Before this you write all this. we share the remote interior angle theorems, and depending on this we share the property of an exterior angle of a triangles. म्हणजे त्रिकोणाच्या बाह्य कोणाचा आणखी एक गुणधर्म आपल्याला इथे पाहायचा आहे. So by remote interior theorems, the angles PRS is equal to summation of these two remote interior angles QPR, plus angles PQR. So this property we see here previously. Now depending on this, look here some. What is the relation between these exterior angles to remote interior angles? म्हणजे QPR चा आणि PRS चा विचार केला तर अँगल PRS हा रिमोट इंटेरियर अँगल्स म्हणजे दूरस्थ अंतरकोनांच्या बेरजे इतका असतो. मग ह्याचा सिंगल विचार केला तर या दोघांच्या मध्ये रिलेशन काय असणार आहे की अँगल PRS हा ग्रेटर दॅन अँगल QPR. Angle PRS is greater than angle QPR. So right here first, angle PRS greater than angle QPR, and it is also greater than angle PQR. So angle PRS greater than angle PQR. याचा अर्थ काय, जो बाह्य कोन आहे तो बाह्य कोन त्या दूरस्थ कोनाच्या अंतरकोनाच्या मापाच्या बेरजे इतका असतो, म्हणजे त्यातील प्रत्येक कोनापेक्षा मोठा असतो. So this is the property. We write in words. Therefore, an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior angles. So this is a property which is an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior angle. So this is property we see here. By using this all information, we solve here some examples. But before this, you write all this. Now we share some examples. That is one example here, sir. The measures of angles of a triangles are in the ratio 5:6:7. So there is given a ratio between the angles 5:6:7, and you find the measure of these all angles. So we take here one common multiples in this ratio. So what is common multiple here? X. What is here? X. Then the measure of angle become here 5. That means 5x. 6, that is the 6x, and 7, that is the 7x. Therefore, let the measures of the triangle be 5x, 6x, 7x. So these are the three angles of these triangles, and we know here's a property of this sum of angle of triangles. What is this? Summation of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So by using this we get our own equations. Therefore 5x plus 6x plus 7x. So summation of all this angle is here 180 degree. So right here 180 degree. Now solve this. 5x plus 6x, that is 11x, plus 7x, that is 18x. So right here 18x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore we want here value of x. So here's 18x, that is 18 into x. So take this 18 on that side, it becomes divide. So 180 degree upon 18. So therefore x is equal to 180 upon 18, that is a 10. So right here 10. So this is the value of x. Therefore we calculate value of all angles. That is the first here 5x is equal to 5 into 10, that is a 50 degree. Then second here 6x is equal to 6 into 10, that is a 60 degree. And third 7x, so that is a 7 into 10, that is a 70 degree. Therefore, the measures of angles of the triangles is equal to, first is here 50 degree, then 60 degree, then 70 degree. So as like we saw here one examples, we see the next example, but before this you write all this. We see here the second examples. Observe the figures. There is given one figures and you observe it first and find the measure of angle PRS. Where is it? PRS, these angles, and RTS, these angles. So you find out PRS and RTS. These two angles we calculate here. So for that, what we do here? So we write here solution of this. So observe this figure first here. Angle PRS, which angles? PRS is an exterior angle of this triangle PQR. So right here angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangles PQR. म्हणजे PRS हा कोण? त्रिकोण PQR चा बाह्यकोन आहे. So by using remote interior angle theorems, therefore by using remote interior angle theorem, we write angle PRS is equal to angles QPR plus angles PQR. Right, value of this angles QPR, angles QPR, this is a 30 degree, plus angles PQR, that is a 40 degree, is equal to 30 plus 40, that is a 70 degree. So this is angles PRS. We calculate value of first angles. Now we calculate second angles RTS. So what about think RTS? This is a 70 degree. Angle PRS, that is a 70 degree, that means RTS is equal to 70 degree. Here angles PRS is equal to angle TRS, both are equal. TRS is equal to how much it is? 70 degree. Then we find out these angles here. So which is angles? RTS angle RTS. So think about this triangles TRS. In a triangle TRS, the sum of angles of three angles is 180 degree. Therefore, angle RTS is equal to angle TRS, not equal to angle RTS plus angle TRS plus angles TSR is equal to 180 degree. So we know this. Angle RTS plus angle TRS plus angle TSR is equal to 180 degree. For that reason, here's the sum of all angles of triangle C. So I write here in short, angle sum property of triangles. Angle sum property of triangle. Now put up the values. Angle RTS we calculate here, sir, plus angle TRS. How much it is? TRS, it is a 70 degree. Plus angles TSR, that is a 20 degree, is equal to how much it is? 180 degree. Now simplify this. Angle RTS plus angle 70 plus 20, that is a 90, is equal to 180 degree. Angle RTS is equal to, take this 90 on that side, it becomes a minus. So 180 minus 90. Therefore, angles RTS is equal to 180 minus 90, that is a 90 degree. So that is the measure of angle RTS is equal to 90 degree. So as like we solve our second example, we share the next example, but before this you write all this. We share one more example. Prove that the sum of exterior angles of a triangle, एका त्रिकोणाच्या बाह्य कोणांची बेरीज, obtained by extending its sides, त्याच्या ज्या भुजा आहेत त्या भुजा वाढवल्यानंतर जे बाह्यकोन तयार होतात त्या सर्वांची बेरीज का होते? 360 डिग्री होते. म्हणजे त्या सर्वांची बेरीज 360 असते हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. सो फॉर दॅट फर्स्ट यू ड्रॉ युअर फिगर. So for that you first draw your figures. I draw your triangles. These triangles PQR. So these are triangles and extend the sides of these triangles. This first triangle extend here this side. Then this extend this side and this extend here this side, that is the same directions. And name this triangle here sir P Q R. So these three angles, that is angle P, angle Q and angle R, and for making here sir exterior angles, for these angles here sir name this here sir A, that is here sir B, and this here sir C. So angle APQ, this is the one exterior angle of these triangles. BQR, this second exterior angle of these triangles. And CRP, this is one exterior angle of these triangles. And right here measure of these angles. This angle is measure here A, this angle is here B, this angle is here C. C. And exterior measurement here sir D, E, F. So we write here sir measures of angles in interiors A, B, C, and for exterior that is a D, E, F. And we prove here sir summation of exterior angles is 360 degree. So at first here's the given part. What is given here sir? Angles APQ, angles BQR, and angles PRC are exterior angles of triangles PQR. And proof here to prove. What you prove here sir? Sum of exterior angles is 360. So write first here angles APQ angle APQ plus angles BQR plus angles PRC is equal to 360 degree. So we prove this. There is simple proofs. Observe these angles. These one angles. That is the angles in a linear pairs. Then these two angles, angle P and angle F. This is also angles in a linear pairs. And angle C and D. This is also angle in a linear pairs. So summation of these angles is 180 degree. So I write here some angle A plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus E is equal to 180 degree. Then angle B plus F. Angle B plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. And angles C plus D. Angle C plus angle D, it is also 180 degree. So you write a reason for that. Angles in a linear pairs. Angles in a linear pair. Therefore, you add this all angles. Look here, sir. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle E plus angle F plus angle D is equal to. You write here summation of all this. Angle A plus B plus C plus E plus F plus D is equal to 180 plus 180 plus 180. How much it is? 540 degree. Now we know here some angle A plus angle B plus C. So summation of these three angles. This is the angles of this triangles PQR. So it is a 180. So write for that angles 180 degree plus I write this angles E plus angle F plus angle D is equal to 540 degree. Now take this 180 on that side becomes angle E plus angle F plus angle D is equal to 550 minus 180 degree is equal to 540 minus 180, that is a 360 degree. So right here 360 degree. Therefore, what do we get here? So angle E means what is here? So angles APQ. Therefore angle APQ plus angle F means BQR. Angle BQR plus angles PRC is equal to how much? 360 degree. So as like we prove here seven examples, that is the sum of exterior angles of a triangles obtained by the extending its sides in the same direction is a 360 degree. म्हणजे एका त्रिकोणाच्या भुजा आहेत त्याच दिशेने वाढवल्या आणि त्यापासून तयार होणारे जे बाह्यकोन आहेत ते त्या बाह्यकोनाच्या मापांची बेरीज किती असते? 360 असते. हे आपण इथे प्रूव्ह केलं. In your textbook there is given on page number 27. In your textbook on page number 27 there is given example number 4. So this is a solved examples, but in the form of activity you solve here yourself, because this is the activity. It is very simple. There is only 3 boxes. You fill this and try to understand it. But before this you solve these examples, and thereafter you solve your practice set 3.1. तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे? प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1 सोडवायचा आहे. आपण पुन्हा भेटूया पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये याचाच पुढचा भाग घेऊन. तोपर्यंत सर्वांनी प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1 सोडवा. But don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.